Are you tired of selling low-price services like logo design that only gets you profit of less than $100 each client? If yes, then you must watch today's video because I'm going to reveal 3 high-ticket job servicing niches with a minimum of $1,000 profit per month per client. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of high-ticket job servicing, uncovering profitable niches and more. So if you are ready to unlock the potential for massive profits, make sure to watch this until the end. High-ticket job servicing is a business model where you can act as the intermediary between clients and service providers, aka the freelancers. Unlike traditional dropshipping, where you deal with physical products, in job servicing, you offer high-value services to businesses and entrepreneurs. This niche is thriving because businesses are constantly seeking experts to help them meet their needs without overhead of hiring in-house talent. These services have the potential of making a minimum of $1,500 all the way to $10,000 per client, and they have the potential of getting them to sign up for retainer packages as well. The first high-ticket job servicing niche is website development for e-commerce startups. In today's digital marketplace, e-commerce startups are on the rise, and they need impressive websites to stand out. By providing top-notch website development services tailored to their needs, you can help these startups thrive and achieve remarkable online success. 3 of my coaching clients closed their first deal selling this high-ticket niche within the first 2 weeks of starting job servicing business, and their clients even engaged them for other upsell packages as well.
And she wanted me to do her website. Hopefully after the website, I will also do lead gen for her, and I will do SEO. The website, I think I charge her $1,800, and my guy is charging me $500 just to do it. I'm making $1,300 off of that deal.
As we are dealing with startups, it is also easier for us to upsell other essential digital services like SEO optimization, e-commerce integration, and ongoing website maintenance. This means recurring revenue potential for your business while also offering comprehensive solutions to your clients. Moreover, the success stories of my coaching clients are not isolated incidents. The e-commerce industry's continuous growth ensures a steady demand for high-quality website development services. Startups are willing to invest in their online presence, making this niche an ideal choice for job services like us. You can charge from $3,000 and then job service the job on Fiverr for a fraction of the price. The profit margin will be at least 70% and above. The second high-ticket job servicing niche revolves around lead generation for sales professionals and real estate agents. In the competitive world of sales, having a consistent stream of potential clients is crucial. By offering high-ticket lead generation services, you can become the lifeline of these professionals, helping them expand their client base and boost their revenue. It's a win-win situation. Your clients benefit from your services and you enjoy the financial rewards of delivering high-valued services. One noteworthy aspect is that in this niche, you are not just generating leads, you are nurturing relationships. Your clients will appreciate your ability to provide them with valuable leads that convert into sales. This trust and reliability can lead to a long-term collaborations and referrals, further enhancing your job servicing business growth potential. The market price is from $2,000, and you can drop service on Fiverr for $600 to $1,000 depending on the duration or the amount of leads. As for our third high-ticket niche, it's all about crafting sales funnels for coaches. Coaches, whether they specialize in life coaching, business mentoring, or any other niche, rely on effective sales funnels to attract potential clients. What's even more rewarding is that by helping coaches succeed, you become an integral part of their mission to impact people's lives positively. Coaches understand the value of a well-optimized sales funnel, and they are willing to invest in your services to streamline their client acquisition process. The coaching industry is experiencing rapid growth, creating abundant opportunities for high-ticket job servicing in this niche. By providing coaches with powerful sales funnels, it can turn into a lucrative venture while contributing to the success of inspirational individuals in the coaching industry. The market price for a sales funnel with a follow-up email sequence is between $5,000 to $8,000, and you can find top-rated freelancers on Fiverr that charge between $500 to $800. My advice is to offer different tier packages for your clients to choose. These 3 high-ticket job servicing niches offer tremendous potential for financial success by providing valuable services to startups, sales professionals, real estate agents, and coaches. You can build a thriving job servicing business with a strong impact on your client's success. It is time to take action and explore these niches to unlock your own path to high-ticket job servicing success. If you are inspired by the potential of these high-ticket job servicing niches and eager to learn how to build a successful job servicing business from scratch, you are in luck. I'm offering a free 2-hour training that will provide you with the knowledge, tools, and strategies you need to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Just go to www.mayeng.co to register for the training. If you have any questions regarding high-ticket job servicing niches, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!